Hello guys, hello God, it's Vera TV program in the building. Oh yes, my beautiful people, I greet you all, I greet you all. I appreciate you, my Lord, this Vera TV program. Oh yes, my beautiful people, my beautiful fans, I appreciate you, my Lord, for supporting me and for being there for me. God will bless you, I appreciate you, my Lord. Up, and I go go. All those my real fans, blessing shall be on a portion. Anything I touch shall be on a blessing. Anything you lay on your hand on shall be a blessing. All my reference all over the world, I greet and appreciate you. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Thank you very much for supporting me. Thank you very much for being there for me. And thank you very much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And this video goes to Pursue the Entahas TV. And I appreciate you all. God bless you all. I thank you and appreciate you. So this message I'm going to send is Odion Lovett. Odion Lovett, I'm going to send this message to Odion Lovett because you know one thing, people out there, many of them don't like truth. And thank God many people don't know the truth. Because when you see now, day before that I was talking about person when you go they report my enemy, saying I so many settings. Thank God, to God be the glory. They say I not they sell anything. And I give thanks to Almighty God. And when they go they call for my behalf. Go they lie, go they do. No, when you are a good somebody, people know. When you are bad, people know. Me, I know they pretend come live video. I know they pretend people say I too quiet or I too good. No. I started the talk, now be that one. Everybody have a way of talking, everybody have a way of doing things. You understand? I started the talk, now be that one. That does not mean that I don't have as in I not be good person. I'm a very nice person, although I don't need to praise myself, but people around me know I'm a good person. So why am I saying all those things? Is because of people they don't like truth. You know, I go sit down my other come find me. You people know about this Odion Lovett, and some people go say the one way you talk don't do. Are you okay? Are you okay for 10 me say wait I don't talk don't do? If I like I do that tomorrow. Do you think if I'm not strong, if I'm not a woman when God gives strength, when we say God creates me well, not be everybody feel withstand all those rubbish. Not be everybody, many people don't run enter us for this our presenter of a thing, because na something will be say if you're not strong no go no matter where we get you. You understand? God is not that I'm too strong on my own. It's God that is just supporting me. Now God just they make me, God just they help me like this. You understand me? So I wonder why some people go say, the one when you talk you don't do. Do you know what this lady did to me? I don't love it. I don't love it. Do many things when it be say many of us see. But why some people are out there, they don't like the truth. And they were happy when it be say this by I would deal with them one after the other. That is, you see me, I don't come for people, and I know they like to follow people, quarrel, or come to fight people. No. You understand me? I know they do. But when you come for me, ready, wait me. Not tell me how I'm going to handle her, what it up put. Oh, don't love it. Mona look her life today. She come out to a live video. I'm this, so I'm a Christian. But I wonder why God Almighty. God is a really merciful and merciful God. Because the way all those people play with God's name, they call God anything they do. God supposed to they give the cook for head. Co. Make it a knack if they knack a stainless. If you carry wood, follow stainless as a stainless plate or stainless cup. As it they lack, make the lack follow them. But as they give thanks to God, how the disgrace and shame still they follow them, they go. They will come out, I'm a pastor, I'm a this, I'm a that. Look at the Kakabona. She is forming church. Look at her now. But tomorrow, if you want to swear Ogun for people, swear Islala for people, she not go look back. Me, when I know they use God, hey, Jesus, so only Michael, I am more better than them. Because they call God, the not church goer is from your mind, not be by God church or by God they use body, and they talk them every day. Not by that. It's from your heart and how you do things to people, how you behave to people. That is how God reads hearts, not by like that for church. Church now human being builder. But when you are serving the God, serving with the truth and the truth and the Holy Spirit, serve her well. When it be saying inside go no say yes, this my child is really serving me from the bottom of her heart. Not to do finish, pray finish, at the end they will still come out and be insulting people. Just look at Kakabo today now. She swear the 5 people now imagine say you go preach finish now at the end you go they swear go no go heavy you. But you say join me prayer, join me prayer, join me prayer. At the end, they can't swear when you go they swear. You self when you know they go church, you know go fit swear. You when be say na juju you the self you be you be na juju the self. You know go both talk for maths. So what kind of pretend and all what kind of thing is that? This message is going for Ojo Lovett. I'm going to deal with you to your head. Your head will correct. Because as you see me, so I don't look for trouble. You look for me, wait for me. If I'm not strong, I know they give them back like this, my people. By now, maybe my enemy for don't enter house because that is what they want. Because now me new come abroad, they don't hold for abroad. As they all this all those on with this social media now they talk. Oh, they don't take for abroad. Me I just the come, so they don't want person like me. They want me my enemy fair work out for like 10-15 years before I come miss road. My enemy will come miss road, not be me before I come dead their hand. Because we are the same. God forbid bad thing. Me I will not be the same. Kakabo, they didn't get the Jennifer, the Lolekia, and the Ojo Lovett. We are not the same. We are not the same. All of them first me come abroad. God forbid bad thing. Even when I'm we are not the same. So that makes them got angry anytime, any day. When they hear my matter, they go wonder. Those of them they say don't do, not they talk, they go punish that you. That your mouth go kill you. When Ojo Lovett was doing all that time, were you dead or your mama, your papa died? I don't want to swear. I don't want to swear, so people should not provoke me. Don't go to my comment section and be dropping rubbish. When you jam my video, you like it to comment, normal. But if you don't like it, the what I said there, it gets you, it make you go angry, it make you diverse. My dear, I didn't invite you for the first place to go and watch my video. Kindly just leave. Don't drop any insults. Don't drop any insult at all. I don't need it on my platform. I don't, because nobody will put that channel for me. Nobody you they help me. Nobody they sit down here, call they talk with people, they view you. So you don't have right to comment any rubbish. Except my real fans, my real people, when they like me, when they love me, when they like me, so they can comment. And they comment good about me. Not you come outside and be saying nonsense, saying all bullshit. Don't write it on my platform. So this Ojo Lovett will come out. I'm a pastor. See them now. If not be Susie as one caller talk that day, we be not know who be yeah people, we be not know juju people. Why they will come out on live video, pretend as if they are the Alpha and Omega. Fake life. And the other one they talk say, truth shall set you free. And they are the liar. And they are the most liar in the world. That's that way they tell, truth shall set you free. Only truth can set you free. Whereas she's a liar, she's a devil, she's a demon. So with Ojo Lovett. Ojo Lovett, with church, God just call you. God just call you. Ojo Lovett, which God calls you? When God go take the descend the anger, make they descend fire upon woman. All those haters, all those useless presenters when they say they YouTube, they Facebook. You are God call you. God call you. They never talk to you. Now you went ahead, go and give a fair a court paper. When you they cause a fair, you don't know say the thing go first a fair. You not see them. Wetin you no go do to them, but if they do, if you do, wetin they no say you no go fit, wetin they no say they no go fit beard or they do it to people. Wetin they no say when you do them, they go want help transform and they go want die. You will see the pain and the tears in them, but they would like to do it to you. Efe Bright never even talk to you now. You went ahead go they say they swear lala. You went ahead go they swear lala. But you said God called you. You are a pastor. You want to change. You have already changed. You want to serve God with all your heart. You see them. You see people. Me when I not say God call me now, I'm more better and good born than them. My people, just watch and see what they are doing, guys. Open your eyes and see. Not that there is partial while you are there. Just look at them. Oh, don't ever say, God call me, oh, Jesus call me, oh, Jesus call me. That your papa will kick a bucket on here kicking a bill. Your father will not make heaven. And fire your father will go. Or don't love it. I lay curse on your household and your family. You're from your senior to the last in your father's house. I lay curse on them because there is no peace for the wicked ones. They shall never make it as you take your year for abroad. So you too, you don't make it and you will never make it. Except I find you trouble first, I come to insult you one bit. That is when the insult will come back to me. But if I have never, ever done that to you, my dear, you will have yourself to blame. You will have yourself to blame. Because you carry my issue, you useless pizza and the shameless she-goat and useless senior that don't know herself because of hatred, because of jealousy, because let's bring it down. I'm here today. They cannot do anything to me. I'm the owner of the keys, the Peking. When I live for many, I like I do that. That is none of anybody's business. Okay, their father is still alive. Let me live my life. Those shouldn't have their life to live tomorrow. So this is my time. Let me live my life. I can't kill myself for anybody. Since the one I gave is not enough for that, I can't kill myself. I don't do prostitution. Many women, people are in abroad. Many of them when they my house, one are there with one, not as it be. I can't kill myself, and I cannot go the shit on my husband because of I get picky for her. I find good life come abroad. I find good life. If my enemy die for that sea, I don't think they will see mother today to call. No, I almost die in the sea. Now see, I pass. I know they lie. So nobody should disturb me. The one I give, since it's not enough, they are not the one that bring me to abroad. Leave me, let me live my life. But what Odunlove did, she refused to call me and ask her what really happened, my sister. Let me tell her. Let me really explain to her, but they refuse because of jealousy. Let her just break her down, her career go die. You don't think that will happen? When I've never ever done that to you, do you think we just do it and it will work? No, it cannot be possible. So, ready, wait for me, Odunlove, to come to fire your papa, fire your mama, fire your generation. All your brothers and your useless sister, no, forget to wear pants before you come up for us. Her useless sister forget to wear pants. Audion shameless, she go to the then and get the second. She forget when I look her face. Ugly musheshe. I'm still fresh. Can't you see that? All of her sister forget to wear pants. Come on for her. Go your tie rapper woo because they say they catch one, but not be your papa house. Now go put agent for you there. Make it the guide to papa house. Fake life. Now get on you do say me they live fake life. How many years I come abroad and me day like this I they live fake life? When I know the borrow cloth they wear. When all my clothes they start presenting when I forget before I start live video, if you ask me, I'll bring and come outside. Or on my hearing or on anything. Make I pack and come. Let me bring it out. So how I tell the live fake life? I bought picky, get papa. I struggle myself, come abroad. The one with my hand reach, I give. They say not reach until I come up from my man house, go to do a shower. Because I refuse. Now I can't be fake life. Is that why you are calling me fake life or don't love one who go kill your papa? Your papa must surely born to ashes. He will not make heaven. This message is for you, is for my pursue the earth. I'm not here to pursue people, but at a time I will be giving it to you one after the other, all of you, one after the other. Because if I'm not doing it to you, those one that is coming up or the one we fed they will not fear. If I'm not they do now like this, mail now for those see gang up, they find where to bring me down. All those useless and shameless, they call themselves YouTuber and presenter. Shameless people. You are calling me fake life. My papa is a California. Oh, God bless to thanks to Ivienivie. Ivienivie make us know the real human being you are. Ivienivie make us know the kind fake and shameless life you are. You that put your father, baby father in prison because of, oh sorry my people, because of benefits. Because of children benefit, you done that to yourself. And you done that to your baby father because of children benefit. Why can't you tell the man to leave you? Why can't you just tell the man to go away and leave you with the case? You do. You make sure you put him in the prison because of children benefit. Look at your life today. You are a frustrated human being. You have already frustrated a long time ago. I'm better than you or all of it. So don't you ever in your life to make any rubbish talk near me. You are not better than me. You are not okay than me. You are not beautiful than me. You not fine reach me. You not get shape. You not get yansh reach me. You not get good body reach me. If you say me will open body, see on yansh jade the screenshot and when you dey kitchen they cook. Amweba. Eba. Me are you not the same? Go and watch my video that they used to do waist trainer. Go and wash them. Use bleach is poor body. Make they say a yellow. Yeah, bino. Shameless as shower. Don't talk to me or don't love it. You are very stupid. All the useless people when you buy papa, he buy papa. When I never see investigate, but now with the useless and shameless human right and all that. Human rights for social media and for the work. They not get office, they not the both they talk where their office they. They not the both talk where their office they. Why are you scared? You say you are human rights. See the one they see with that lady in Nigeria now. She is a human rights advocate for that matter. She dey talk where she did. She dey talk area where she did for Lagos. Because she is doing the right thing. She is doing the right thing. She don't have fear. She not the fear. But while those ones they are prognosing lie, they find who they want to pull life for. I mean, they for take collect money for government hand. At the end, thank God. So I don't love it. Mind your business. Very stupid and shameless human being. Look at your life today. I'm a part of God in heaven. Don't you people believe that lady? She's a liar and a pretender. Pretender. I told you guys, pray in your house. Call on to God. God will answer and He will rescue you. Don't go to any pastor, fake pastor here and there. Look at what pastor did to a little boy in UK that day. Because don't they collect 205 pounds for this boy for 5 years. And you know this boy is struggling. She is a student. This pastor begin they collect the money every month he must collect them. You know, say that boy na young boy, not be say plan in life. If they collect all those pastors, they are there to collect people's money. They are there. I don't want to call for pastor because if I call for pastor, it don't go good for them. When they see they come and present and useless Kakabo come and say I'm a pastor. Pastor go kill you. That your ministry will never move, Kakabo. That your ministry where they plan to do for live video because Yore is doing it. It can never move. And you know go physically collect for Yore hands. Egban where? Now 2 view, 3 view, 8 view, 13 view. Now you go to see. And the useless people want to gather do a shower and go see the view because their life don't frustrate. They know all pastor, many pastors don't shop their money because they don't know where to go again. So they can come and wash you and you people will be stupid and useless together at a time. Kakabo, your ministry will not move. It will not work. It will not work. Oh, you guys. It will not work. Imagine. Can you imagine, guys? Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. How do I look? How do I look? How do I look? Oh yes. You see that? I look yes, so So that now where till they Sabina be that's my people. Lie here and there. They don't mind their fucking business. They know they mind their business. When she sit down, they talk my matter. I don't love her talk my matter for how many weeks. When I forget, she go do for Facebook, she go do for YouTube, she go do for Facebook, she go do for YouTube. Or even the new YouTube she open, she still talk my matter there. Are you guys okay? All those stupid and showering area, those one there outside, they talk rubbish. Are you mad? Don't you ever come my YouTube and comment rubbish? Are you crazy? Want me I shake your head, me I shake your brain, they shake. Are you mad? I will give it to them the way they want it. So this is our turn. Thank you, Ivie, for exposing Odron Lovett. God will bless you. So I don't want to make this video long too much. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. This video go to my Pursue the Enter House TV. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe so that we will start live video. They very soon will soon start. Thank you all for supporting me. Thank you all for being there for me. Thank you all for really standing for me. God will bless you. I appreciate you, my Lord. So that my hookup program will they go on for that. My Pursue the Enter House and many other things will they go on for there. So please, if you have not subscribed, please try to subscribe to Pursue the Enter House TV and my Vera Comedy TV. That comedy TV go hot, so it go hot where with one laugh. Come there, subscribe so that we will quickly the subscribe. The time watch not the near. Please subscribe, please. Try to subscribe so that we go start live video there too. And my Pursue the Enter, please subscribe. Thank you all for supporting me. Thank you all for being there for me. Thank you, I appreciate you. So I'm about to end this video now. Thank you, God bless you, and stay tuned. Watch my video and subscribe. Press that bell. That one will give you a lot notification anytime I enter live video. Thank you. Bye for now.